Want to ditch the Jira chaos and build a supercharged, stress-free workspace? Often, Jira feels like navigating a digital maze, but fear not. We're going to transform your Jira experience into something intuitive and efficient by focusing on the user interface. Let's begin with your dashboard. Click on the Dashboards button. Usually found in the top navigation bar, this is your command center, so customize it to show what's important for you. Add gadgets, like created versus resolved issues, or a pie chart gadget to visualize project progress. Rearrange them by dragging and dropping to match your team's workflow. Keep your most important information visible at a glance. Next, let's dive into the project layouts and Kanban boards. Project layouts can initially look overwhelming, right? Click on the project you're working on, and then navigate to project settings, often located on the left sidebar. Here's the good part. Modify your workflow by customizing columns at the status tab, then adding or removing columns to tailor them to your team's needs and tasks. Take advantage of the issue type setting to create relevant project layouts with distinct issue types: bug, task, story, or enhancement. Change your workflow states to match your team's needs, so the team has a good overview in their workflows. Now the key: simplicity. A well-organized Jira is a beautiful and effective Jira. A clean interface can improve your team's adoption of Jira and enhance how tasks are managed. Remember, tailoring these elements to reflect your work style unlocks Jira's full potential. You now have the starting point for improving your team's efficiency.